Hey there, thank you so much for enrolling in this VideoScribe course. My name is Phil Ebener. I'm the founder of VideoSchoolOnline.com. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm really excited to be partnering with Kashif in this class. With Video School Online, our goal is to make the best online courses to help you become a better creator. And that's why we partner with great instructors like Kashif. In this video, we're just going to talk a little bit about how you take this course, what the structure is, and how you can have the best learning experience.
Thank you so much for enrolling in this class. I graduated from University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign with a master's in engineering, and I have had teaching positions with many reputed institutions like Northeastern University and New Mexico State University. I am also a Northeastern University certified e-learning instructor. I have been using whiteboard animations for a long time, and in this course, I'm very excited to teach you everything I know about VideoScribe.
After this video, you're going to dive right in, getting started with how to download VideoScribe and get a free trial if you haven't done so already, how to get free resources that will make your whiteboard animations even better. Then you're going to jump right into the platform, learn how to navigate it, how to start adding elements, and then how to animate them. You're going to learn all of the tools you need to build an entire video, how to add things like music and voiceovers to put it all together. And then you're going to learn how to export an HD high quality file so you can post it online and share with the world. So we have designed this course to work best if you're a complete beginner, to start from the beginning and work through the entire course. If you ever get stuck along the way, the best way to contact us and get support is by posting your question to the Q&A tab on Udemy. Make sure you post as many screenshots with your question as possible so we can better assist you. If you ever think we can make this course even better, let us know if there's something we missed, if there's something we went over too quickly, or just something that was a little confusing. Let us know and we'll try to make this course better for you. All right, let's get started with VideoScribe. So I'm gonna pass it over to Kashif, who's going to take it from here. Thanks a lot.